I've got 3 cookbooks now. I've got Keep It Vegan, The New Vegan, and now Cook Share Eat Vegan. I would say Cook Share Eat Vegan is my perhaps most comprehensive cookbook to date. It has a lot more recipes. I think there's like 150 recipes maybe in there. So it's almost more like a vegan Bible, I like to call it, and there's everything in there that you could possibly need. So there are recipes for, you know, plant milks and plant creams and things like that, but then there's basics as well, you know, weeknight meals that you can like whip up in say like 20-30 minutes. Lots of, you know, lovely sweet things, but also I've tried to include some dishes that might be a little bit out of people's comfort zone, but at the core of this particular book, I've tried to instill this sense of sharing, obviously community, kinship, and kind of opening up veganism like beyond vegans, you know, opening up, say you're vegan and you want to, you know, put a spread on for your family and friends, and this is the book, I think, to help kind of almost win them over, or if not even win them over. It's just food that you can enjoy together, and it's not sort of viewed as vegan food. It's just really delicious plant-based food. So yeah, the tagline is obviously delicious vegan food for everyone, and I think that permeates the entire book. And you know, I only create recipes that I either use regularly in my own sort of kitchen, and recipes that excite me, but I keep things very simple, very accessible. I think I'm known for my accessibility. Try not to make things too complicated, not too many steps, not too many ingredients, but with a few little curveballs in there. You know, things like maybe agar that, you know, some people might be like, oh, what's that? So I kind of introduce these things, but in a very kind of friendly manner so that it doesn't feel overwhelming or daunting. So yeah, that's basically Cook Share Eat Vegan.